Hello all. This small video I am making to just revise different types of solutions of the linear equations. Okay. Coming to see, there are two kinds of sets of equations. Okay, one is homogeneous type of, and the other is non-homogeneous type. So this is for the non-homogeneous set of equations. Non-homogeneous in the sense you will have right hand side not equal to 0, it will be equal to some value. Okay, and if you try to use the coefficients of x, y, z and form a matrix, then it forms, this is called as a matrix A. Suppose you can assume it. Okay, this is A, and if we consider the RHS side also in the matrix, then it is called as A slash B. That is, A slash B is nothing but as augmented matrix. Okay, I am just revising these things. Just please remember this chart, very important. Okay, so this is called as augmented matrix. Coming to what kind of different solutions we will have. Okay, first try to find out the rank of augmented matrix, then try to find out the rank of the given matrix A. Okay, so there are two conditions. If the rank of the augmented matrix is greater than rank of the A, then it is always an inconsistent solution. Okay, it is always an inconsistent solution, and there is no solution also. Okay, the both the words are used synonymously. Okay, inconsistent and no solutions when the rank of A augmented B greater than rank of A. What is rank? How to find out the rank? You just need to do the row operations and other things and just find out the unique rows or columns depending on that. Okay, not columns, here rows. You can do it for column also, not at all a problem. Just we need to transpose it later. Okay, so rank of A augmented matrix should be greater than rank of matrix A, then it is considered under inconsistent solution. And when it is when the both the ranks are same, rank of augmented means rank of augmented matrix and rank of A is same, means you are getting the last row will be completely equal to 0, or this will never become 0 for A matrix. Okay, this will never become 0, and rank of this and this will be same always. Okay, these are the two conditions. So when both the ranks are same, then we say that it's a consistent solution. After finding out whether it is a consistent or inconsistent, then again you need to check for the rank if it is greater than or equal to the given number of columns in the matrix. Okay, so in this we have two conditions. One is if rank of matrix is same as the number of columns in the matrix, then you have a unique solution. For example, there will be three equations and three unknown variables x, y, z, right? So then in that case, then you will get unique solution, right? So when it is rank is less than n, then it is considered as a infinite solution. Okay, so when it is infinite solution, what I told you, assume one variable as c, and then we arrive at the other variables in terms of c. When we are trying to find out the null subspace, we are using this technique only. Okay, there we are considering it as a 1, the third variable. Okay, here we need to generalize the things, so we are considering it as c and then finding out the other variables. So remember, this is for non-homogeneous set of equations. Okay, non-homogeneous means it is Ax is equal to b4. Okay, so how the questions will be? It will be something like this. Questions will be something like this. Okay, so that is 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 1, minus x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 4, 4x plus 6y plus kz. Okay, there are two extra elements here, is equal to p. Find the range of k and p for which consistent solution, inconsistent solution, no solution, unique solution, infinite solution. So you should be knowing all the forms in which condition it is inconsistent, whether rank of the augmented matrix is greater than or equal to the rank of the matrix. So just remember this chart, this previous chart. So questions will be something like this. Okay, And coming to the chart of homogeneous linear equations, homogeneous linear equation is nothing but as Ax is equal to 0 form, right? In this it is very straightforward. There is no confusion here. So it is all, you can see here, homogeneous linear equations. So it is always rank of A will be equal to the rank of the augmented matrix. Okay, it is always rank of the A will be equal to rank of the augmented matrix, and it is always a consistent solution. Okay, there is no inconsistency here. So it is always a consistent solution. Out of this, again we need to check the rank, whether it is less than the number of columns or it is equal to the number of columns. So if it is less than the number of columns, then we call it as a non-trivial solution, and if it is equal to the number of columns, then it's a trivial solution, where we will get value x is equal to y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the chart for the homogeneous linear equations. Remember, for homogeneous linear equation, it is always consistent solution. Okay, trivial and non-trivial. For this also you may get questions like is it a trivial or is it not non-trivial. So such kind of questions you'll get it. Okay, thank you.